What's up, what's up, what's up? So I wanted to do a really quick video of how I do my makeup when I'm getting ready to run errands. Something fast because y'all know I'm a stay-at-home mother. So I just take a baby wipe here and I'm just wiping my face. Okay, girl, wipe that face. Girl, wipe that face. Alright, now I'm going into my RCMA palette. You'll see as time goes on that I realized that color was a little bit too, I guess, olive. So I just used it to color correct, really. So I'm taking it and I'm putting it on most of my problematic areas. So any place that I have dark marks, so it's around my nose because I wear glasses, so I get those little glasses spots. I don't know what you call them. I get those underneath my eyes. I have some dark marks, as you can see there on my cheek. I'm going to cover those up and around my mouth. So I gotta get a drink because all this blending and stuff makes you parched. Let's see what we're doing next. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my foundation, and I'm literally just gonna put it on those spots that have the RCMA color or whatever on it. I'm taking my Holy Grail, the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in color 360. As you can see, that's mocha. And I'm going underneath my eyes. I think I did a little bit on my cheek. You see I put some around my mouth and a little bit between my eyebrows right there. Because I don't really I like to be able to kiss my baby in the mouth, or I like to be able to kiss on my baby. And I know, carrying her around, I don't want makeup rubbing off on her clothes either. So I had to try to find a way that I could still look pretty and not like a zombie, but also be able to still parent, I guess. So yeah, and don't mind me, I'm watching Power, y'all. How do y'all feel about Power? Because I don't know, I'm gonna have to come make a video about that, because I was talking with one of my mom's friends and she was like, she didn't want Angela to go to jail, but I want Angela ass to go to jail. Angela ass need to go to jail. Tariq need to go do something. Somebody need to tear his ass up, or he need to go to jail, or juvie or something really hard, just to show him he is not about that life, because he was a little bit too privileged. And I don't know, Ghost and Tasha need to work on the differences. Either they're gonna be together or they're not gonna be together. They need to just cut that up, do whatever they're gonna do. Now I'm taking my Dark Deepest by MAC, and I'm going to set my foundation. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and go all over. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to do little dots underneath each eye. I don't want to when trying to do as little makeup as possible. So, and this is super full coverage, this concealer, so it doesn't take much. That little bit, I'm going to take my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend it out underneath, just cover up those the dark areas that are indented.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we trust.
Next, I'm just going to, instead of me setting with regular translucent powder, I go in with the MAC Studio Fix Press Foundation, and it just it helps to control the oil and whatnot. So I'm taking NW45, and I'm just going over the concealer with that, so it doesn't even take away. It doesn't take away from the color, and it also sets it at the same time. So I know y'all see sometimes if they put translucent powder on the concealer, that's the way it kind of take away some of the product. This cancels out all of that. Next, I'm just going in with my what is this, Big Colossal, the Makeup Shader Collaboration mascara. I love this mascara. Usually it's hard for me to find a mascara that I like, but it's not gonna clump up, especially if it's in the more budgeted area. But this one is really good. I like this one a lot.
No, I don't want no rest.
So here I'm going in with my Steve Laurent lip gloss. I really love this lip gloss because it's not sticky, but it like literally lasts all day. It's not, I don't know, it stays glossy all day. Even if I could drink or if I, you know, kiss up on Marley or whatever, it's still there. And there. You see them lips, girl? Luscious. And I almost forgot to do my eyebrows, but this is me doing my eyebrows now. I'm taking my, I usually use MAC Stud, but I couldn't find it, so I was using my MAC Spiked. And this one's like a little bit lighter than me, but it's whatever. It's too light for me, I guess I'll say. What I would like. But I'm going in with this. I'm just doing it really sloppily because I'm going to be taking, you know, my foundation and fixing it
up. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
And then, like I said, here I'm going to be going into my foundation instead of like a brightening concealer. Like a highlighting concealer. And I'm just cleaning up my brows with the foundation. I totally forgot to arch my eyebrows, y'all. So I'm sorry if they look like wolf pussy. So this is my finished product. See, it's super class, super simple. If you want to put eyeshadow on, you can do that. To each its own. If you want to put lashes on, you can do that, and you'll still look good. But I didn't need all of that. I think I was just like running like some simple errands today. I was like literally going to wear my hair like this, and like, this is literally it, the whole thing: hair, makeup, all of that. So super simple, super easy, especially like if you're in a rush, you can do it on your way. Alright, you guys, so please remember to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks.